So here's two ways to charge your GoPro Hero 7 Black, okay? So obviously the first way is if you already have the battery, insert it right here. Let me just pull it out. If it's already in, what you can do is open up the side door here. There's a little side door right here. Go ahead and open this up and you have your USB Type-C charging port right there. So get a USB Type-C cable or the one that the GoPro actually supplied you, this one here. It doesn't matter which one I use here, but put the battery in there and then go ahead and pop the USB Type-C in there. Then you know it's charging when it turns red here. And you can see it's red right there and it's red right here. So I know that it is currently charging. Now another way that we can charge this too is if you can go ahead and just pop this out, the battery out, and if you get like one of these adapters, it's not this one here, I have one coming in today, but it's something like one of these adapters. I'll put a link below, but you probably pop that in there like that, and then you can go ahead and charge your battery. Another thing I want to note too is you can see I have no battery in here, and actually you can still use the GoPro. Let me go ahead and turn it on right here. Okay, it didn't turn on. Let me go ahead and unplug it. Let me plug it back in now. So I'm going to plug it back in. You can see I have no battery in here now, and it's still going to work. You're still able to go in here. You can video record, whatever you want to do. Another cool thing is too, is when we're using an outlet right here, but another option too is if I go ahead and unplug this, it's going to go off as soon as I unplug it, but you can also use a power bank. So here's a power bank right here. This is just a Samsung power bank here, but if I USB Type-C cable here. So if I pop this in here as well, and I go ahead and turn this on, you can see no battery, and we can go ahead and record with this no problem. So just a FYI, so pretty simple.